Christian news from English Christian Times. Estonia presented to the heart of Jesus. Estonia, the northern European country that includes the Baltic states, has dedicated itself to the heart of Jesus. The dedication was on Sunday, April 19, the feast day of God's mercy, under the leadership of Bishop Philip Jordan, the Apostolic Administrator of Estonia. The dedication was done for the end of the corona epidemic and begging for heavenly intervention to bring Estonia back to God. Bishop Jordan said this is an opportunity for people to lead a faithful life. Pope Francis postpones International Eucharistic Congress in Budapest. Pope Francis, the Pontifical Committee for International Eucharistic Congresses and local organizers have agreed to postpone by 1 year the 52nd International Eucharistic Congress, the Vatican announced April 23rd. Because of the corona epidemic and its impact on the travel and assembly of large groups of faithful, the Pope, the Papal Committee, Congress organizers, and the bishops of Hungary decided to hold the Congress to be held in Budapest in September 2021 instead of this year. Churches in Austria to reopen from 15th May. Following the Austrian government's announcement of plans to relax its coronavirus lockdown, churches in the country prepare to reopen from the middle of next month. Austria will further loosen its precautionary lockdown measures to allow churches to reopen in the country as of 15th May. The Secretary General of Austrian Catholic Bishops' Conference, Father Peter Skipka, confirmed the news following an announcement by Austrian Prime Minister Sebastian Kurz. The Prime Minister said Tuesday that restaurants, churches and some schools can reopen from the middle of next month. United States and Canada to be consecrated to Mary, Mother of Church. Archbishop Jose Gomez, President of the U.S. Bishops' Conference, is inviting all U.S. bishops to join him on May 1st in reconsecrating the United States to the Blessed Virgin Mary in response to the pandemic. The reconsecration is timed to coincide with the bishops of Canada consecrating their own country to Mary at the same time. God loves each of us as if there were only one of us. Saint Augustine. News Desk, Christian Times.